Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today my coaster is all about simplicity and how can we enhance and embellish our coaster that is simple but it has beautiful effect to it. So let's start. What I'm doing here is in the center I have poured a little resin with my popsicle stick to which I will be adding these copper and these actually it's a mixture of different foils mostly on the bronze, copper and golden side. So I have taken two colors here. One is bronze color and the second one is beige. And this one is beige. And what I'm doing here is I am pouring an outer ring into my coaster with this beige color. And after pouring my beige color, I will be doing the same technique with the bronze color, making an outer ring. There is no resin in the center of my mold, just a teeny weeny in the center where I have just used some foils. So into the center, I will be pouring a clear resin. Sorry about this, covering the screen with the cup. So I have poured all my resin into the center and I do have some bubbles, but it's fine. So what I'm doing here is I am just using my remaining colors around the outer edge. I really love to see how the color will go together. And doing the same with the beige. And now comes the heat gun. I will be just blowing it so the colors start to merge with each other. And after that, I will let it cure. So this is the second day and you can see how beautiful it looks. This side is really beautiful. Now let's see how the other sides turn out. So this is my other side. It's really pretty as well. I really love how the colors have come together. But I think I will be selecting this side as I can see more character in this side. So with my Posca pen, white Posca pen, I am doing the outlines of this geode effect that has been created. And after that, I will be using my gilding glue, making an outline as well. And now I let my gilding glue to dry so it gets sticky. So this is after 24 hours, and this is my mirror foil, and I will be using on this gilding glue, and you will see that how it will enhance the feature of the coaster even more. And when I'm done with the mirror foil, I will be doing the top coat. That is really necessary. And here I'm doing the final top coat. And this is the final step of this coaster. And this is how it turned out. So this time I really shared a very simple coaster with a bit of elegance, that it's always not necessary that you get amazing effect with the resin. Sometimes you add the embellishment by yourself to your coasters. So this is just one design. You can make a lot of design in this style, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me in comments, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. And thank you so much again. Take care. Bye bye.